First, I washed the meat and then I began to cut off the fat. After cutting off the fat, I washed the pork in warm water. When you finish that step, pat the meat with a paper towel till it's dry. Cut the meat into pieces that are about 1½ inches thick and place it into a large bowl. When you finish cutting, you can begin to mix in the seasoning. First, I added Worcestershire sauce. After, I added oyster sauce. One teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and a teaspoon of ground cumin. And then I started to mix everything. Cover the bowl with aluminum foil and set aside for 45 minutes to 1 hour. In a frying pan, pour in olive oil over medium heat. And then begin to put in pieces of the meat. Lower the burner if you need to and continue stirring the meat. Add the remaining sauce. Lower the heat and cover the frying pan to let it simmer. Once the meat is tender and ready, add your garnished onion rings. Then stir everything together. When you are done stirring, then you are finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Goodbye.